when might be a good time? I would say before you get married. Do you know, like, I think when I got married, I had pre-marriage counselling. That was useful. So before you ever get to that road where you might be divorcing, how about have some counselling? You know, maybe it's something that you do, not every week. Maybe you book a sessions, you know, just to check in. It's really important. I'm not talking about divorce per se. I'm talking about lack of communication, lack of intimacy, lack of connection. So if you're persistent in those things, so you're not connecting with each other, you're not having shared dreams and goals, you're not trusting each other, or you're not committed to each other, you know, you're not problem solving really well. And this work comes from the Gottmans. They are really some amazing research around couples and family and dating, as it were. So we need certain things to kind of stay together, but we also grow and life gets in the way, and sometimes we do drift apart. So my thing would be that if you feel like there's a gap in your relationship, there's some distance, there's some cooling, speak to your partner, check it out, you know, have a conversation, you know, try and create some more intimacy, some connections. That might be going for a walk, that might be going away for the weekend, that might be an agreement on dating, you know, getting your mojo back, that might be setting time aside to have sex. Whatever it is that you need to connect with your partner, you probably need to connect with your partner more than you think you need, but enough for the relationship. So usually there's one person who wants closeness and there's another person that wants distance. But this is about also being vulnerable. And, you know, I think when I look back at my past, I definitely wasn't vulnerable enough. I didn't really share how I really felt. And so then when it became too much, I just shut down. So I have to take responsibility for my part in the relationship. Whereas now, having done lots of couple counselling and training, and I'm older, I view relationships differently. But some old stuff can creep in because we're not perfect, we're human beings.